We get Engineer Godday Omogbe for the house. Welcome to our program. We go call you because this matter of today, rainfall everywhere gather. Rainfall everywhere gather for matter. Now be waiting this just dey happen every day. Again, what they do wrong when you see they make them say what have the full every day.
Naturally, there are two pronounced weathers.
I bet you will help us.
Okay. There are two different weather within tropical Africa. Dry season and rainy season. That dry season, almost everywhere go dry. That is the time government is supposed to send consultants, engineers who don't back my forehead, where know if rain fall for Selu, how it go wrong. That's the time they go study all the area they know say water don't begin gather. Because as we grow in life, people are expanding, building houses here and there. Some people will feel, because government not could look them or they bribe them, they go cross where water they pass before.
Okay.
So when you now see water they gather, the water not gather before for there, you know say something don't go wrong. Now these people they call consultants. Now then they sabi unravel, find out where 4 years ago water not they gather. People build house, they ride motorcycle. Now water they gather. Now then they feel put the report together. So exactly.
Government not get that kind of people.
Government not get that kind of people.
They meet that kind of people.
Government has abandoned them.
Okay.
Contractor, neither they send last to go construct. Okay. Government is not supposed to just contractor. You get equipment, go and build that place for us. There must be a study book where they don't write like this to show the cause and effect.
Okay. See, maybe look at like this now. So the rain when we say they fall now, when we say they do, some people tell us say now because of say the ozone layer no good, they make the rain the place. Say the rain too much. Now make our place this thing. And secondly too, apart from say the rain too much, you know if you say in your own way, say we too we get our own when we say we do inside. How we because you don't talk about government now. You know, just say the individuals too, the population, the citizens, they get what you say they know they do right too.
It's not unlikely because my people say where there is no knowledge, the people perish.
Even Bible talk about it.
So you need to know how water they waka, how water they come, even to the surface of the earth. Number one, I rainfall. Now really the warriors for this part of the country. So I will narrow my own side to that. The one that comes through flow of river, because they don't open down for Nigeria or that. That's another class itself. Our hope is say we know they follow the trend of development to also ensure we improve on facilities of the people. In the first instance, people that built houses 80 years ago, water not in that area. It is the duty of government to ensure say that area continues to be dry by maintaining the road as it is. Government will get vigilante people. I think active very well. When there is traffic congestion at Uselu, Ibioto, you find people calling central body. Government don't get central body that create a framework where others they report to. This man don't block our road where water they pass. But these people government has abandoned, including myself, are the rudimentary cause of flooding. Because this kind of book must be written, we call technical report. Before you send contractor, go dig, go do this. You see the one where they do near mobile, where S&T. Those things are not done in developed countries. They're not the one. You will see they will just quit 3 or 4 families, come on, go dig hole here so that water will come on. It's a sign that the people they are not using correct professionals. They're not using engineers of different grades. If I may appeal to you, the students we are producing from the polytechnic, for the universities. Now these consultants they train them. What did I take train them? The problem they see within the environment. I had okay, go do leveling. Go do
so what they try to talk now? Government see the water when they gather by us.
Exactly.
You're not supposed to do there.
You're not supposed to do
they
there.
bring which they won't do. I say what the government they do not correct.
It's not correct.
How they supposed to do? I get what they for suck the water.
No. 5-6 years ago, that water did there.
Okay, not there.
You know them. So it is these consultants, they are not working with mobile police, soldiers. They are full soldiers. We call them reconnaissance surveyors. They will go around the area, see where water they passed before.
Okay,
People don't block out.
Okay.
These consultants are the people that are able to now say, because these people don't develop, town planning close their eye to rap. Many people commit crime for this kind of issue where water they collect. Town plannings are under regulator of building processes, the way that they do things. Town planning has kind of grown to an extent that nobody they feel control them, not even government house. You understand? Because the people, our children, where they are abroad, they want big house. They want to stay near inside town than at the outskirts. They will do anything. Just change $1, $650,000 don't come back.
And in the process, then they don't block the place.
They block the place and buy the interest of other people. When rain now come in the following rainy season, you start seeing the effects.
Okay, so by application now, all of us get half for the matter.
We get half for the matter. The government will not do pass.
Okay, government will not do.
Yes.
Okay, but when we look this matter when we say it consign buying and the rest of that, because they say you get natural area, whether you like it or not, water must find in level.
Yes.
You get natural area. Now you talk as maybe a don't blocker and that kind of a thing. If somebody blocker, people don't get the right to open them again. Because one, you're supposed to know the area where we say it's supposed to build.
Yes.
Now you don't go block them. Government don't get the power to remove them.
Government get power to remove
So
her.
why would they say something?
The issue be say government not supposed to dey sleep when
What
they are
do
in
they do?
office.
Okay.
They are sleeping. That's why before the man started the construction, come build, come enter. Nobody know. Government is sleeping on duty.
Okay.
Because they are not using correct profession. For example, why dem go bring engineers from Lagos, from South Africa, when people like us wey get bald head.
Okay. If that's not your own personality you think of now.
No, I'm not talking about
Because you say yes, that's
Yeah.
you work. That's when you work is supposed to give you now. They give them somebody that make you the best.
No, I have right to be vexed.
Okay.
The issue is Ministry of Works, Ministry of Environment. They are the two relevant ministries to take care of all this kind of a thing. By recent arrangement, works strictly now on roads, while Ministry of Environment is now strictly on drainages and other ecological issues. But these two people still have a way they relate.
Maybe they bring the grammar contact.
These two ministries, they still get hard and they talk to each other to ensure say two people not go do one work because of synergy. Why they call it? You understand? So in the process, government is supposed to have informants. As beneath big so, there is a group, Ministry of Environment go arrange where they is secular. Upper Sakoba, Ibioto, and then even Iwogma and other areas. Do you know that Temboga, for example, that road has been there for over 25 years untouched. And there's a road they call Boundary Road between Atiwogma.
Okay.
The erosion where they there, the gully where they there go fit swallow 5 trailers at a time.
You not go feel am.
2014, we study am for government. They not do anything. Even 2005, but as lucky one they wind up, we study am for government. They not do anything. The problem with government is that there's no continuity. Obamudia we are praying for. Anywhere he is, he had a long tenure of almost 9-10 years, undisputed arrangement where he did office.
But make I bring you come because you see how the night they block road and the rest. But no forget say population they explode every day.
Yeah.
The 25 years when you talk about the ago, 30 years ago, maybe the population will be in Nigeria get not being get that time. We need to get accommodation for these people.
Of course.
They need to build house. Government not build. People in the builders need to build. And when they build now land they go build and put.
Of course.
And when they build and put like that, so population expansion they come now. So the time of our daddy, Ogbomudia that time. So the population don't do like this. Houses don't place it like this. The guy will be say how this is the past. Everybody for town. In this kind of case, I will go take a ranger where we say the water not go disturb us.
Thank you. What government normally, that's why we call them government. They have power more than anybody.
Okay.
They put in various group of people where go give them information.
Okay.
Information for town planning, information for Ministry of Environment. Ministry of Environment and Ministry of Work, they shouldn't be where they are, this one they do you, this one they do you. They work together for collective interest. Let me tell you, sir, there are grades of human beings that are specialists in different areas. high-rise tall building, there are engineers that are trained on that. And they train students. The flooding control, where are they? We work for Abuja, we work for Nasarawa, we work for other places. When flood day, current Nigerian Society of Engineers will say, government, you don't consult us. We will send 2-3 names to you. One man dey Lagos, the other man dey Port Harcourt to call them. They will find solution. To even go to South Africa to go be people where we dey teach, for university where we attend, where we dey teach them. It's contradiction. In the first instance, new law don't come up now, signed by Fashola on the 10th of April last year. Say work where engineer go fit do for a country, for a state. It is criminal for any government to give it to foreigners. Are you getting what I'm saying? So there are people who are supposed to help government ensure this thing is not there.
But all those people when they when they break off now, they call the expert now. The expert trains, they know we are work, they know what they do before they bring them the call. Are you what you trying to talk now? They don't know the terrain. Now they talk.
Now they tell you before flooding can occur. I will tell you about 10 years ago, like Ogbemoja flood not there.
10 years ago.
Somebody, I know that, like say 20 years ago, if I the Arosa underground drain, now engineer from Ibadan, that time we just leave Western region as a state. Okay, now he can study him. He draw him out. They did royal clothes. They call them Balasajalo. Before they can call Nigeria Water Resources, now ROCC to come construct. Ministry of Works, where I were about day, Engineer Odaro day, Ira Zebu day. So many, the first crop of engineers after independence, they were just there supporting the consultant to ensure a good job is done. The duty of government is to release funds. There is a group that ensures that what contractor does is what is paid for. They pay for the work we don't do. So there are various interests we put together to ensure a project is executed. We just say water they collect for Oregon. You say, hey, contractor, you get bulldozer, you get a payloader, go do one. For example, INEC don't park now, come on for where they did.
Okay.
And that place is very close to Ikoba River. You need an expert to tell them how to connect that water without destroying houses, without paying compensation, to go to Ikoba River unhindered. That job, we even want to do one. They said, oh, Kowa. For the task, they say, go do one free. Till today, INEC don't park. What do you call it now? That court of appeal. They are no more operating. It's our problem in Edo State. We don't big reach to know our sons and daughters are in these various places. So they will consult with professional bodies, give us experts in high-rise building. As I tell you, Cocoa House or everybody, calculator never come out. Now slide rule, they do all the calculation to put those things in place. Now that we have computers. Slide rule like be like calculator. Now ruler, they do them in such a way that when you slide one over the other, that's why we call it slide rule. You now see where your equation, where your things tell you say, now you go put, make the thing on break. You understand? Calculators now came later. Now we are using direct computers. We have developed. Yes, are you getting what I'm saying? But the people that are using this thing, government leave them for bad. They are not consulting them.
Okay, before I go let you come out now, because somebody tell us that I say the time of old, people do roads in the last way and all of that. Because now we call the get engineer. You know they come the last again, like say we know they do the things rightly. But in this kind of case now, what do you feel say government is supposed to do now to take address some of these problems so because you don't talk all the problems.
Exactly.
So when you talk all the problem, we'll go make you talk solutions.
Yes.
So we say we'll take address for this problem
exactly.
For those things. And if you tell us say that one when we say do for SRT now, a bad job.
Yes, a bad job.
Channel the thing or
find out what it
costs when we say take all the gather them because when they gather them years ago.
Exactly. The solution to this problem is government should go back to the drawing board.
That drawing board don't follow.
That drawing board, no, what I'm saying now, Professor Henry, when this current administration for Edo State came into being, he called us, including myself, how we will help the governor ensure these things are done. We gave him all the rules he needs to do. There must be some people being consulted, which Ministry of Works organizes, and then one that is qualified to be given a job is paid. Engineers in Ministry of Works, they have so many commitments. They go there to see what the man don't do, what the contractor is doing, and recommend stage of payment. When you put the whole work on the engineer, Ministry of Works and permanent secretary, you are not overloading them. You are revealing their incompetence. Because when a man is overloaded, he sleep on duty.
Okay.
Secondly and lastly, the motor number don't increase, what we call daily traffic number.
Okay.
And that daily traffic number has also increased in the classes of vehicle. For example, Dangote trucks now carry 900 back or something. Where that motor pass once, 500 V8 go pass am. The effect is not up to 30% of that one truck. So vehicle using the road should pay for the maintenance while the road have been constructed.
Okay.
So national, this we now dovetail to national, that the toll gate is important because it's for road maintenance, provided it's properly monitored and collected. It is when new roads are being constructed that budget comes from the normal process. Toll gate is for maintaining roads already exist, pliable by those roads and vehicles, not lopsided.
Engineer Gode Mogbe, thank you so much.
I appreciate it. I appreciate it.
God bless you. Just say next time we'll call you, you come talk
I
to
appreciate
us
it.
on
I
this
appreciate
matter. You see this discussion, just say many things don't come out. I will sure say with time or this kind of thing. You go to the laws now, say yes, it good make it say person where in no area, and they used to do work. Maybe waiting be the bottle of all of this. Then people will be say come from abroad country. They don't know how the place be now, how the water go. People will be say there for the area. Now I go always there. We'll take a small break. While we come back, continue for where we say we start. You know the program. Good morning from Benin. Don't go anywhere.